Ever feel like your money just disappears into thin air? You're not alone. Juggling bills, tracking expenses, and finding sneaky ways to save can feel like a never-ending game of financial whack-a-mole. But what if there was an app, a financial bloodhound if you will, that could sniff out your spending habits and help you keep your hard-earned cash in check? Well, fear not, financially frustrated friends, because it's called Snoop. Now, Snoop might conjure up images of laid-back rappers and chronic indulgence, but this Snoop is all about financial fitness. It's a free money management app designed to be your personal financial watchdog, keeping a watchful eye on your spending and sniffing out opportunities to save. Intrigued? Let's break down exactly what Snoop can do for you. Snoop, your one-stop financial shop. Imagine a world where you don't have to juggle multiple bank accounts and credit card apps. With Snoop, you can connect all your financial accounts in one place. That's right, checking, savings, credit cards. Snoop brings them all together into a single, unified dashboard. No more jumping through hoops to get a holistic view of your financial situation. But Snoop isn't just about convenience. This app is a data analysis powerhouse. Once you connect your accounts, Snoop gets to work, meticulously sniffing out your spending patterns. It categorizes your transactions, identifies recurring bills, and even flags unexpected price hikes. Think you're finally free of those pesky subscription fees you forgot about? Think again. Snoop will unearth those sneaky subscriptions, silently draining your wallet, and remind you to cancel them. Saving made simple. Okay, so Snoop can track your spending, but what about saving? Fear not, thrifty friends. Snoop is like your personal financial cheerleader, constantly on the lookout for ways to help you keep more cash in your pocket. Based on your spending habits, Snoop will suggest ways to trim the fat. Does that gym membership you never use seem a little excessive? Snoop will point it out. Are you constantly paying late fees on your bills? Snoop will help you set up payment reminders. But Snoop's saving prowess goes beyond basic budgeting. This app can even help you find better deals on your regular bills. Let's say you're paying an arm and a leg for your internet service. Snoop will scour the market and alert you to more competitive offers, helping you potentially save a significant chunk of change every month. Feeling the urge to splurge? Don't worry, Snoop won't judge. But it will help you stay informed with vouchers and sales at your favorite stores. So, you can treat yourself guilt-free, knowing you're getting the best possible deal. Security? Snoop's got your back. Let's face it, handing over your financial information to an app can be nerve-wracking. But Snoop utilizes open banking technology, a secure system that allows you to share your financial data with authorized providers, Snoop in this case, without actually revealing your login credentials. So, you can rest assured that your financial information is safe and sound. Is Snoop the perfect financial app? While Snoop boasts a fantastic range of features, it's important to remember that no single app is a magic bullet for financial success. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Snoop relies on you connecting your financial accounts. This might not be ideal for everyone, especially those who prefer a more manual approach to budgeting. Snoop is currently only available in the UK. However, with its growing popularity, an international expansion might be on the horizon. The verdict: should you snoop around with this app? Ultimately, whether Snoop is the right fit for you depends on your financial needs and preferences. But for those who struggle with keeping track of their spending, want to find ways to save, and appreciate a helpful nudge in the right financial direction, Snoop is definitely worth checking out. With its intuitive interface, powerful data analysis, and focus on saving you money, Snoop can be a valuable tool in your financial arsenal. So, why not give it a try and see if this financial bloodhound can help you sniff out a brighter financial future? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.